Big Easy accounting software is great for small businesses, nonprofits, groups, and clubs. It has many behind-the-scenes formulas to make bookkeeping super easy for you. Here are some of the features that make Big Easy so different. You don't need to know accounting to use it. It's simple to categorize your transactions and super easy to correct entry errors. Just try to correct something in one of the more complicated accounting programs. You can also customize Big Easy to suit your needs. Our online version works with Google Sheets and makes collaborating with associates a snap. Importing your banking transactions will save you lots of time and money. It's a great way to get your accounting records caught up fast. You can pick one of 18 different groups of lists of categories to get started, or use our consulting service to help you set up the right categories for your small business, nonprofit, group, or club. By using the program throughout the year, you'll be ready come tax time to give clear, concise, professional-looking reports to your accountant or tax professional. Backing up your records is super simple in the desktop version and fully automatic with the online version. We have great support right here in the US, and Big Easy is recommended by accountants too. Thank you for watching.